Welcome to America's largest sausage factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how pepperoni is made, from premium meat and spices used on...
Developing the perfect seasoning profile involves a precise blend of paprika, garlic, chili pepper, and our signature spices, all mixed thoroughly with the finest cuts of meat.
Each batch is carefully fermented to achieve its signature taste and texture.
Every package is inspected before reaching consumers.
And that's how pepperoni is made, from premium meat and spices to one of the world's most popular pizza toppings.